Okay, traders, I want to show you how to trade the Friday close. This is getting right into the nitty-gritty. I sent a video into Discord, how to trade the Friday end of week close. And this was just a price action video. Video number 1. Give you a little bit of context. But what I want to do here is show you how you can gain a precise entry. This is the Friday close. So what we get is this line here. This is the New York Open. And you want to look for the opportunity after 10 a.m. New York time. That's about here. First of all, you need to go out to a 1 hour chart. You've just got to establish that you've got the setup. See this indicator. This is DWM, daily, weekly, monthly. This gives you the weekly. And you're looking for this kind of price action, the current week. You're looking for the open, the low, the high, and then you're looking to trade into the close. That's a candle, open, low, high, close. This indicator will show you, you'll see, beginning of the week, it ran the stops. Okay, you had the open, it ran liquidity. And then we had this bullish run for the week. We're looking for this pullback into the in the New York session, right there. Okay, this is important, this bit, right? So you just need to make sure that you can see that this has had a strong bullish or bearish, whatever the case might be, run for the week. Okay, so you get the open, try again, the open, and down into the close, right? So this is the candle. There's the low, and that's the high. So you get the open, the low, yeah, the open here, the low, the high of the week, and then we're trading that. Okay, so we go to a 15-minute chart, and I want to show you how these indicators give you an incredible advantage. We're going to set up a trend track multi, and we'll just include the 15-minute on this one. That's it. Oh, you also want to include the style, include the pain labels, and that will give you that, see that signal there? That's your signal. You've actually got these other signals here as well. You want them, okay? So there's 3. Now, you know what you're looking for. You know you're looking for a bearish pullback. See how it's been bullish? You're going to go for that. It's a counter trend trade. The first thing you do when you know what you're looking for is you'll come into the trend track multi, go to the 3 dots, set it up on the 15-minute, right? And we're trading a 15-minute chart. Add the alert, and you're looking for bearish alignment. That's it. Just once per bar, let it make some noise and notify you in your app if you like. That's it. Bearish alignment once per bar, and then create. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. And that will set up over here on the left, right? That's it there. That will go off in the log on the right, and then it gives you the opportunity to come in and take the trade. You know what you're looking for. You've got this range, and as I mentioned in the video, you're looking for the break and the retest. That's exactly what happened. Right? This is the Friday end of week strategy. Now, what you can do as well is you can double up on the signals. This indicator here in particular, and I mean, look, you've got it down here as well, but I like this one. Just come into the 3 dots, add the alert, and what you're going to do is you're just going to go any signal, fast or slow line. That's it. It's the first one. Just select that once per bar, and you won't miss a beat. Create it, right? So that gives you 2 signals, and this one especially you're not going to miss. All right, so 2 go off pretty much at the same time, as you can see there. And again, you're looking for, don't take the first, don't chase it. You look for that pullback right there. That's where you enter the trade, stop above, as I mentioned in that other video. And you really don't have to do much else, because this is going to give you an exit signal as well. See these? That's your exit right there, coming off those. So you got to pay attention. Entry, exit. This one's giving you the same thing as well. Really important, but these 2 will give you the entry. This indicator will give you the entry and the exit signal. All right, but again, set up this alert as well so you don't miss a beat. That's all there is to it. You've got your entry, you've got your stop loss, and you got your target. You'd set just whatever, go for broke with that. But you're going to be looking to close it when that signal fires. That's all. That's it there. That's the Friday weekly close counter trend strategy. But what I showed you in the beginning of the video is really, really important. You want to see that this has had a strong week. All right, come back here. I'll just scrunch it up. This is key. The open, you see it's run liquidity. You know that it's going to go for the highs, and you want to see that it's doing that. It's done that into New York. And then you're going to be looking for that counter trend trade. Okay, so that pretty much covers it. You know, if you find this weekly pattern on any of these others here, you can set up the same signals and go for more than one. You could trade other currency pairs as well, like the euro dollar or pound dollar, NASDAQ, indices, anything you want really, even crypto, Bitcoin. But the key is the first thing to look for. And as I said, come back to this first, guys. Just establish that you've had the open, the run on liquidity, and a strong bullish week, but with a strong rally. Let's look at it on that 1 hour chart. Let me show you something. Every day I'm posting down in here, and we're having a huge success with this. Look at this gold signal here. This was a trade that I sent into this channel here. Off that signal, buy now, and look at the outcome. This is VIP, and you can trial it for a week or 14 days for free. And in here I'm posting daily trade signals, trade ideas that you can follow very easily. And there's regular daily mentorship. We go over our signals, watch these daily mentorship. Now if you join, make sure you scroll up this channel and watch the last at least 3 mentorship videos. They're really important. And then you've got the indicators down here. There's some videos on the indicators down the bottom here. But this here, this trade ideas is really important. And come into the weekly blueprint. Right, this is the weekly blueprint. This is what we're trading. I won't stop on any of these, but study that, and there's a video on that. Okay, and then you'll really understand what I'm on about with this counter trend trade at the end of the week. So on the website, you could just go to join, and as I said, it's 100% free. And when the subscription kicks in, I mean seriously, silver's only $29.95 a month. And they're covering that on the first day, okay, in the free 7 days. But this gives you 7 days to get a first-hand experience of how this can change your life. And then gold will give you the Telegram signals as well. Okay, you can see what you've got here. So Discord VIP is really important. That's where all the tutorials and mentorship videos are going in. Tradingview indicators, and then gold will give you the opportunity to automatically copy my signals through TS Copier. Now I think these are going to be going up again soon. That's in the pipeline. So you might want to lock it in, start the trial, and that will lock it in, depending on whichever one you want. But again, I mean, look, if it goes up, it doesn't really matter, guys, because as I said, my members jump on board and they cover their first month very, very quickly. It's a win-win situation. So with that, reach out to me if you have any questions. Oh, by the way, just be careful. There are scammers out there who are copying my... Just make sure you read the scam alert, all right? And don't accept anyone sending a friend request with my name and my image. I won't send you a friend request. I won't do that. And I won't be especially sending you a friend request and then following up with all sorts of offers. Be careful, guys, because these guys are out there. They sound very convincing. I think I've even got it in here somewhere, how the scam works. Yeah, this one here, that's one of the scams. And the other one is they say they'll trade your account, they'll manage your account, they want your MT5 login or whatever it is, and they'll send you a link to a broker asking you to join their broker, and they'll give you a discount, blah, blah, blah. It's a replica website. Once you join and you deposit your money, it's gone forever. Right, so just be careful. Okay, so look, with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, and look forward to seeing you in here and enjoying the benefits that we're all experiencing. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.